Just do these 3 things, and a girl will be willing to give you everything. Controlling a girl isn't difficult, bro. As long as you know her weak points, you'll be able to get anything from her. Although every girl has different weak points, these 3 things will leave any girl powerless when she's with you. Pay close attention, especially to the most important point. Point number 3. Alright, let's get started. 1. A girl will give you everything if you take care of yourself. The logic is simple. Girls are prideful by nature. They are also competitive, especially with other girls. Whatever they have, they need to be sure it's the best for them, including their partner. Every girl wants the best partner, not just for their life, but also to satisfy their pride and competitive nature. They will try to find a partner they can be proud of and show off to other girls, whether it's to friends, family, or even rivals. That's why, when you take care of yourself and work on becoming the best version of yourself, you'll fit the criteria of the guy every girl wants. Taking care of yourself can start with simple habits like maintaining a good physique, exercising for at least 15 minutes a day, and keeping a healthy diet. Then, focus on your mental health by reducing overthinking, stopping laziness, and feeding your brain with useful knowledge through books or self-improvement podcasts. Also, look after your career and finances by saving money, learning new skills, and avoiding distractions while working. If you do these things consistently for at least 3 months, you'll get used to it, and you'll see a different, improved version of yourself. Number 2. A girl will give you everything if you can guide her to be better. Most girls, no matter their religion, race, background, or character, want a good life, and they know they can only get it if they have a partner who can lead them toward it. On the other hand, a small portion of girls don't care about having a good life. They'd rather ruin themselves for short-term pleasure, usually due to their environment. You just need to decide whether you want a girl who seeks a good life or one who enjoys self-destruction. If you want the first type, it's easy. Just become a good leader, someone who can guide her to a better life. You can start with simple steps, like having the courage to correct her when she makes mistakes, pointing out when she violates the principles you've set, or even walking away if she refuses to change. Show a bit of firmness in front of her. Prove that you're different from other guys, and believe me, she'll fall completely into your arms. The key here is to maintain control in your relationship. Set clear boundaries on what she can and can't do. 3. A girl will give you everything if you can accept her flaws. A girl will be loyal to you if she feels valued and accepted as she is. But don't misunderstand this point. It doesn't mean you should tolerate all her flaws. It's better if you can help her overcome them. For example, if your girl is overweight, help her achieve her ideal weight. Encourage her to exercise, support her through her diet journey, and if she's resistant, give her constructive motivation instead of criticism that makes her insecure. You could say something like, "You need to have a healthy body, not only to feel good about yourself, but to stay healthy and avoid illness. You'll benefit from it. Let's stay motivated and keep exercising." If she eventually reaches her ideal weight, she'll remember your support forever, and that will make her loyal to you, willing to give you whatever you want. The key here is not just accepting her flaws, but also helping her address them or find solutions to her problems. Alright, bro, that's it for this video. Hope it's helpful.